Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make croissants food fusion. First, we'll cover the essential techniques for preparing a versatile croissant dough, perfect for incorporating diverse flavors. We'll then explore how to infuse your dough with exciting ingredients, ensuring a harmonious blend. Pay close attention to the lamination process, as it's crucial for achieving that signature flaky texture. This approach guarantees delicious and innovative results every time. Now, let's dive into creative flavor combinations. Think beyond traditional butter and chocolate. Imagine a croissant with a rich yoube filling, or perhaps a savory one featuring a spicy chorizo and cheese blend. The key is to balance your flavors so one doesn't overpower the other. We'll discuss how to prepare these fillings and integrate them seamlessly during the shaping process, ensuring every bite is a delightful surprise. Next, we'll focus on shaping and baking your fusion croissants to perfection. Proper shaping isn't just about aesthetics, it also impacts the final texture. We'll demonstrate techniques for creating various shapes, from classic crescents to more intricate designs. Achieving the right proofing is critical for a light, airy interior, and we'll guide you on timing. Finally, we'll cover baking at the optimal temperature for that beautiful golden crust. Finally, let's talk about troubleshooting and ensuring consistent success with your fusion croissants. Many common issues, like dense texture or lack of flakiness, can be avoided with careful attention to detail, especially during the lamination and proofing stages. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of butter or even a blend of flours to find your perfect recipe. Remember, practice makes perfect. Also, for more great tips and resources, including a fantastic book on personal finance, check the description below for links and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.